Good morning, my 3D printing clan. It's Mark with Upgrades Complete, and yes, the FLSUN QQ-S Delta printer is up and running. Oh, Pro Delta. Yeah, I'm digging this thing. Let me tell you what I did between last night and this morning to get it to this point. First off, I removed the nozzle, which we saw last night was red gunked, and I removed the Bowden tube and found red rubbery spaghetti. So this is not the filament you want to run through a brand new printer on the day you get it. Start with the basic stuff, kids. Yeah, and besides for some gumming in the extruder gear that I cleaned up a bit, it seems to be printing perfectly. Now, not to do anything small, I am printing an Eastman Captain America bust at 100 millimeters per second, which I know is below the capabilities of this machine, but I want to see the level of quality and detail that I can get at that speed on a machine that is mostly automatically calibrated. From what I can see adhesion-wise, was not expecting this. I was expecting it to not stick, to warp, but yeah, from what I'm seeing here, I'm really digging what the potential of this machine could be. So I am actually running some more parts on for the Mark 39, roadie suit, a few upgrades for this, and I will fill you guys in a bit later, and we will see how this is actually going.